Hey guys, so today, driving with my friend. He is driving the base camp and I'm driving
My base camp.
Sorry, you're a base camp. I said the base camp.
The base camp, my base camp.
Same thing. And I'm driving the FMS Toyota Land Cruiser and he's all the way over there, already in the water. Can't even wait 5 minutes. We're gonna go up here a little bit, but once he eventually gets back over here.
Yeah, I gotta try. I don't know which side is the motor on this.
Middle.
Is it in the middle?
Oh no, I think it's a little bit on the passenger side. I'm not 100% sure. You'll be fine. The motor should be fine. Actually, I don't know. I didn't use brushed. While he does that, I'm gonna go show you guys this crawling over here, going over the stick. Because his is not important because I don't care. Okay. So these new tires do surprisingly well. This is mostly a trail truck. This isn't really a rock crawler, so it's not doing really well on just rocks. It's doing more on like this kind of stuff. Surprisingly.
Yeah.
I need to get that hitch off. Yeah, but somewhat. Huh?
First of all, I want to see which side the motor's on.
Those bearings are cooked anyway, so. I was wrong then. And then I went up this before, but I'm not gonna know if I'm gonna be able to now. And going down, I almost flipped it. Oh, I did it before, now I can't do it. Oh, it's the hitch. There it goes. Almost. Yeah, I rolled it, but it landed. Oh, I get water in my shoe. Yeah, it doesn't have enough of like angle. It's not tall enough, and the front bumper and stuff too low to the ground. But it does. Oh.
Make it up the actual water.
1 second. You should be able to.
Was your Ford ever make it up this?
My what?
Did your Ford ever make it up?
I think so. Yeah. With the new tires, they will.
Oh, look at that. It looks like these.
That's all muddy. Let me turn it around and I'll come back down. He's gonna hit me in the back of the feet. I'm coming over. And these tires do not have any holes in them for air, so that's the one good thing about the water. Oh, my sound system's battery's low. Unplug that. He actually didn't drive it down there. He put it down there himself, which isn't true realism of you.
Lying.
But... What? You're staring at me. My sound system was going off, and then the battery just thought it had more battery than it is now. It did before, so it stopped. We'll go back to mine, because mine, is cooler. Your head's in the way. I'm gonna take mine back through here, and there's a stick. Take mine. Oh my goodness! Beeping's getting annoying. Let me see if I can back it up to here. See, a lot of wheel space. need a lot of wheel speed. Oh, that's not good. So nobody's coming.
Alright, ready?
Yep.